Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. So in today's video, we are going to be doing this month's BoxyLuxe. So here she is, this big old box. So if you don't know, BoxyLuxe is like every 3 months, I think? Every 3 months you get like a larger, if you pay for it, if you subscribe or whatever, you get the bigger version, which it comes with a lot more stuff, and you pay more, of course. So yeah, so here she is, and it gives you so much more stuff than what just a regular BoxyCharm would. So if this is a little card that it comes with. So this month's BoxyCharm is Glam Vibes Only, and it has like all this information back here with how much the stuff is and all that good. So I'll just be reading off how much the prices are and everything from this little card here. So first thing first is going to be, we'll just read from the list. It's going to be the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. And I definitely wanted to try this for a long time, but this is $85. So I was like, yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get this. So I'm definitely gonna use this after I do my makeup. I think this might be a smaller version. I'm not sure if this is like the actual like size version, but either way, let's see how you do this. This is $85. Okay, next thing is going to be this. It's a palette from Hip Dot, and this is the Zion eyeshadow palette. So it has a little thing, it looks cute. I've never had any Hip Dot palettes, and that's what she looks like. She's got like them purples and stuff like that. So we're gonna use this today, and this is $30. So this is cute. It's a pressed pigment palette. So that is something we're gonna be using in the video today. Next thing is gonna be, what is this? Persona. It says Persona. This is a lip gloss, vegan and gluten free, and this one is in the shade Honey. So there's that shorter shade. Something I like to do. I like to just smell. Okay, smells good. Smells good. And this is Season 1 lip gloss. That's what it says. And this one is $16. And it has like a little sort of shimmer in it. So let's see. There's my little swatch. I don't know how to swatch things. So there she is. She's cute. Next thing is going to be the Fenty Beauty by Ariana Kilowatt Foil. What is it? Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. And oh man, this one's that purple. It's the Mimosa Sunrise and Sunset Sangria. I don't know if this is gonna fit my skin tone. So here she is. There's that. Let's do swatches here. How do you do these? So here is, oh my god, that's, wow. Yeah, that's like really pigmented. I don't know about doing that on your highlighter. And this is $36. That's like really pretty colors. All right, and the next thing is gonna be the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. And this is a solid clay mask, so that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll do this afterwards too. I wanna smell it. That's plastic. It smells good. Throw that in the trash. So that's what it looks like. Cute. Solid clay mask stick infused with matcha green tea that controls oil bound skin and calms redness. Okay, and this is $26. All right, next, moving along is the, let me just take this out of the plastic. This is the Pure the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece brush set. What if there was no brushes in it? That'd be so funny. I dropped one. The 12-piece brush set. So we're about to use all 12 of these brushes just off the back. I mean, they feel synthetic. A little eyebrow one. A little one of like, that's a really like straight one. This like flat one. These two. These literally look like the Jeffree Star ones. Just the Jeffree Star ones are like hot pink or more pink. And then this just is with the luxurious blend of irresistible soft synthetic fibers, each brush, yada yada yada. I just threw a brush. So this, the 12 brush set, is $49. So we're definitely gonna use these brushes. Okay, next thing is, geez, this is hefty. This is the 111 Skin Hurley St. London. Am I saying that right? This is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. Oh, it's a 5-pack. Let's just open and see what it looks like. So there is that. It's a little 5-pack. That's cool. And this is pre-event mask with hydrogel formula infuses skin with radiance boosting energy for a glowing complexion. And this is $135. Jesus. And last is this Keratherapy Deep Conditioning Mask. It says keratin infused. Oh, it's got I like to smell things. It's got a little sticky here. It smells good. All right, and so this retails for $24. All right, so the total of all the stuff that's in this box, I did my little calculations, is $401. If I'm right, I'll have like a thumbs up because I just like sort of calculated that really quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows really quick. Yeah, do my eyebrows off camera really quick, and then we'll get into this eyeshadow palette and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and the brows are done, I guess, and I did put concealer on underneath. It's like a little bit crazy right now, but it'll get better, hopefully. We never know how that goes. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this palette, and we're gonna use some of these little brushes here. So first, I guess we're gonna use this one. Do they have any numbers? What does it say? P70. Is this like the only like sort of blending brush? Yeah, it is. So we're gonna start with this brush. And I kind of want to do like, I want to use these probably as eye shadows because I'm probably not going to wear it as highlighter, or maybe like a little like hint of highlight. So I think I'm going to like try to use these two colors for sure. So we're definitely going to start with this first one, Sandstone. Just put it here. All right, so that first shade, Sandstone, this little guy right here, is on the eyes. So next I'm gonna sort of take, not too many brushes over here to choose from. I'm gonna take this little one, what is this, P90. And I'm gonna take this brush right here, this shade, Canyon. Just like this, and we're basically just gonna put it against that edge of that other shade. All right, I'm gonna go back in with this shade on this brush and just basically just feather it or place it over that just so that they blend together. Oh man, I just touched the wrong shade. Dummy. Gonna go back into Canyon. Just sort of deepen it out. Okay. All right, so those 2 shades are on both eyes. The next one I want to take, I kind of feel like I should do the purple in the under eye and then do the purple like there. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade. I'm gonna take it on this brush still, same brush. We're gonna tap into Grounded. It's like a more deeper orange. And take that one and just place it in the outer corner here. Just feel like I'm shaking everything just to deepen it up there. And go back in with 2 Canyon and just sort of soften it up the edge. And tap back into Grounded. Just there. All right, next we're just gonna take this shade. Well, maybe I'll just try to do it on a brush. I'll take it on this brush, this one. This is that highlighter. And we're just gonna put that all over the lip. I'm gonna use my finger. That's really pretty. I like that like purple. I'm gonna take a little bit of this one, just like that, and then just tap it right on top. Just like that. And just make it like a purple gold shade. Real cute. Okay. And then I'll take this little tiny brush. I'm gonna dip it into that orange kilowatt shade here. I'll just take it like this. And there's that one. So I'm gonna do everything on this eye. I'll be right back, do foundation, and I'll be back to put on the gloss. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, we're back with both eyes done, base done, everything's done, everything done. All right. So basically what I did is after I did the eyeshadow, I put the purple shade underneath the under eye, just a little like hint of purple, and then I sort of dusted it with this shade, the Canyon shade, and yeah, that's the look. And then I just put on like a sort of pink nude lip, and then here we are with our Persona lip gloss. Gonna put her on. Gonna use our little Fenty Beauty just to see a little bit closer. And there you have it. I did sort of try to put some of that highlighter on. That ain't happening. That made my face look a little bit too crazy. So no highlighter. Maybe, let me see. Yeah, no highlighter. So that is finished look with this month's Boxy Charm. I did only use really three things. I used all of the brushes. They're all here, all used. So yeah, if you guys like this video, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, leave a comment. Definitely, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.